So right now I'm gonna be walking through how to combine videos in Instagram Reels. So right now I'm on my Android phone. You can follow the same steps in your iPhone also. Go ahead and open your Instagram app, and now to create a new reel, just tap on this plus icon at the bottom and here select reel. And now let's combine videos for reels. First of all, let's upload a video from gallery. Here we can see the video uploaded. And now we will add a video by recording a new video. To do that, tap on edit video and tap on this add clip icon. And now select camera. And now just press and hold this record button to capture a video for your reel like this and release your finger. And here, as you can see, here's total 2 clips. One clips from my gallery and another clip from I've just captured. And to add more clips, do the same thing. Just tap on this add clip icon. To upload the video from gallery, tap on your gallery icon. And now from your gallery, select the video. And here, as you can see, the video add date. To add any other video, go to add clip again, select camera and record your another clip. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully combined a video for my Instagram reel. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and post this reel video in your Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.